Everyone, welcome to Wednesday. Today was a fairly significant day for the stock market, at least in this little recovery mode that we've been in so far. As you remember, yesterday we jumped up over the 200-day moving average and then ended up falling back through it by the end of the day. We did the same thing today. We jumped up above the 200-day moving average to open. We fell below even more than yesterday and then turned around and actually went up all day and ended the day right near the top. And as I mentioned, the 200-day moving average is a pretty important point for a lot of people that invest in the stock market. They'll usually denote which trend they're in. So if the market is above the 200-day moving average and then it falls through, they'll say that's the official start of a downtrend. And just the opposite, like today, where the market closes above the 200-day moving average, we are officially in an uptrend. And so there's probably enough people that are following that type of situation that we should see a little bit of a run here. Nothing substantial. And obviously, this is a different environment than we've been in before, but it's quite possible that we see some continuation. We also saw some breadth today. Almost everything that I have that I'm looking at is green and not red. And so that's important too. You want to see some follow through. Again, all the things we've been looking at in the market have been pointing towards recovery. I don't know how long this continues, but it's okay as long as it does. But we have created some barriers to things falling. Now it has to fall back through the 200-day moving average, which sometimes can provide support. We've created that long sideways motion that creates some support. In a huge panic, all those supports really don't matter that much, but in normal markets they do. And so that's what's happened so far today. I look forward to being able to tell you what happened tomorrow. Thank you.